Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change your email on LinkedIn. First, go over to your profile picture and then click on Settings and Privacy. Now, this will load up this page where you have to go into this Lock, Sign in and Security. Here you have email addresses, so click on that. And now you have to, this is your primary email, and you have to go to add email address, and then you will need to enter this 6-digit PIN that they have sent you to your email address in order to change those emails. So enter the PIN, just copy it from your mail and paste it right here, press submit, and now pick your new email address and enter your LinkedIn password and press submit. It is really this simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.